Abranti amachi dede. Ma re chichere. And you ever caught the Equa Cratano at the Atuja and a pay in a shede. Napos na bremo, the Aquaba net saying,
Josomaja,
Koye.
Yamiadu, a tempo, no idiot. Yet, young one is a
Quo Republic.
Ah, then I did a repico cries, and they fear that they freestyle. And our ball like also, I damn my t-shirt.
Oh, Aquaba.
Yeah, Obi.
Na, it's a saying,
Obi Shadanye. Yeah, you be about me, I mean, who so be I ribida. Obi free rain na me hwene haya me hene. Akeka me. It's a rob we. Me titie friend na. Obi ebo akacha say malaria. Ya you me hu so obi aboy obi da. Me nko anti me hu ya me kwaji adu. Half nko ah. Half no so cry side ha no keke. Aya me hene friend na be si.
Yesu so na Rob Ben na ehhehhe pa no. Se ne ye wo Rob anka ha koto. Koto.
But don't we say she pa de Yakobam. Akubam.
Uti ya za bro.
Akubam ankanye.
No za bro.
Na who you see na referee, bi who say referee. How don't say kan wani. Na
wa bro.
Akubam, wow. The good old days. Ebebo unya bia no ana koto.
Koto so oba, koto so jana na so. Eni na fa.
Oh. And I don't know many of my here can say as a country, you know, you build generational businesses.
Exactly.
And business, you know, see as a open businesses are lasted for 30 years. Yeah, Ghanaian indigenous businesses are unya. The hour for 30 years. The hour so we are so list here. Or more a wo sisia no me Ghanaian businesses, you know. Early 2000s ni mo air ban. Well, and almost starting.
And likely say almost the next 30 years, almost almost.
So, man, put structures, Papa, in place. Because I think structures now you put in place in the high. So, Osha Madam Catherine, Osha Akobam, solid marketing model. Every village in Ghana, Omuko, that is how Omokano, not speakers Nisi so solid.
Madam Katri Dende. Madam Katri Dende. Madam Katri Dende. Katri Dende. Katri Dende.
I was a young man and a simple obiat. You know, ain't not marketing model no was solid. By nay, Samiko University of Ghana Business School. Na yakokosha unya research document cry say almost steady some marketing models to those times. And your mom examples examples in marketing wa Ghana hano ye be quote the Asda UK the Sainsbury you know nti
edwadi ayedi wo snow mu no eno an yedi wa awie ono it is snow mu nti ohwe se ye ne hono mo tie na no de aye ni model na ye akwakofa abesia na ye de tie bia
se about snowplow. And my plus no, but me,
snow would the
yeah, topic we say glacial landforms. Dance,
geography.
Oh, meaning that I told Boko.
Me won't slow that was me just slow.
We have Christmas out to snow has fallen, snow has fallen. No, that one was no that. That's a lot
of guys, me call UK for one thing and I may expect to pay you snow. And I know our bedrooms are bedin. I say December name year Kobe -7, -7 degrees.
You are no
Masa. Negatives and it is our period you stop lectures, near lectures, and me share them sana, me be heat and full and I'm now -7 degrees so.
Well, you see me fridge anymore.
-7.
Fridge
Oh, fridge, it was terrible. And snow no eba efe, you know, the obefa baby aba a slippery into tia super now better. Now was the special snow boots.
No my abroche diaries na me call
it was really interesting, very interesting. But I'm say you call Bronga Hafo and the Bono region Ahafo, Bono East. Na se you make name companies are wa uswa na wonim unse ho so na timber firms be brain now
Fair Anthony Company oti yeboa company
ene
omunyina gu Fair Anthony Company no mpo de ene enkrante a wo wiase nyina pe bi wo ho abenya asase kese machines no more dry machine kin dryer
and a local Ghanaian company
meka se na foreign Lebanese
and
be bie then so say wo hwe nipa na said na company no ne kese akwakoduro ebra papa na nkasa free mu no eba bedi Ghanaians
Ghana for
nsem ya na Ghana ni
ma me interview we mra me ba topic am we interest wo pa lawyer Augustine Obuo lawyer ma Mr. AB Ej the suspended Public Procurement Authority CEO ora Obuo ye ma wakwa ba bibia boko de
eja konkrada roma me hoye
ya da nyame ase
ifo nyina
etie foje wo so enra mutimi kopie mu or special prosecutors anete
patare
great enti mo call ye no interrogations ni bibia na last for be how long
and the one na cry ye be interrogation ankasa ye be 25 minutes but ye DQ munti ye che ho ye spend 5 hours ho you were just sitting there
na special prosecutor also queue ho
so no we can invite him go for binti no I'm so police almost CID police and now we are hwede because no more ye adwuma and there's no more to and today so yet why ye can see be free they no ma ye chain and interrogation na mu de me sure say it be more than 30 minutes
sir we no ye
very simple
is it the case say a preliminary interrogation am obesin akọ for the main one ana
and they ko but agrobe so ifra no pa
okay indeed
bibia ni ho
sir bibia ni ho sasen
sir bibia ni wa ye koka ade a wo se yesie nyina no ye ne nra enne de ne ye de a wo hwa Abrantie Thomas no ho asem no mo se ye ne mra ana ye mfa ne mra
okay general manager for TDL no
because asem the investigation no ye interrogation wie ma obeli wie say ye wie ano no he wo di o person wo bia na wahu no and I said the other so de ma bia na o de amane to wa wie no the next one here one of the two either say yeah asem no ya to egu ana say ye kokot e mo ba ko na besi
okay meba inti enra no specifically was on Mr. ABJ and I will say
on Francis Ahen
on Francis Ahen no and a call inti omo mienu nyina na last day for
ye obi anko obi ade and do 30 minutes
okay na me pacho
yeah 10 o'clock no omo no more ye other activities lawful activities of course enti omo sha say omo free no me ma omo no tea time because me can say Ghana for be adwen say ja ye sha have no pack of me sa abri aye say questions it was 12:25 me ma omo no tea time no it drew up 10 before 10 to almost start interrogation no 12:25 yet why you didn't come over but no almost the omo ye because em say ja be molly for buy into omo no almost start here Ibisa obi a introduce no was be molly but na near much say be molly for na
na me pacho for Ahen any ora eje o mi nya wo na wo your lawyers okay
any TDL
nyina good and if yemra into I don't know sir if you'll be willing to share but questions near the omubusa and na e faden ho
ya ton contract bi
ombusa say maton contract bi ana
ne say me wo ni e wo Ghana for the me kura me tie say dey also tie da me kura me ame drive book ma se fa so ame tie no mo news me bufu ipa wo dia obi abufu ye no and so me papa de buy me officer or be buy me as a lawyer me ne ye conference no me buy me no ye madwen said no asem them say wa kind of crime o ma me nko police for no na be na police for no mo obi bia papa ne kan tell me and so you could do on like say papa no kura na wa kan na asem no so a o mo so ni fufuru bia de ba be challenge and the asem ni na no nti no me ka say Ghana ni a wo gibi say what contract wo TDL or me sere wa bra Brabe kama Ghana for nyina nti say me ma to contract with TDL eni me ye adwuma we be catch the Ghana for nyina if you say say the way I quiet do my name fast me ya say ye if I could pay to me for fast and be to the ni na ya be slave sasem ni ya je di ni ya ni ma emfata
no but
me di say ni also di era but over find a lawyer na me in the year conference day na see no of course also kind of so chire me until the man make so they Ghana need here or GD say what for contract every GDL hold omra metre because contract ye di ma o mu nyina e mu dodo na ya contract na ye say contract na ye say em say ye 6 ya you move for 2 year pending
so woka say yaya meba cho woka say yaya no ye hwan TDL na ye
TDL aye that's all we contract ma no o mu nyina ka o bi for na ya o mra me ka say if I say my contract say kokko ye chest no na ye me na me ko ye chest
no na say TDL betimi as subcontractor and na say o betimi mo bi foforo aye in their name ana
near what Ghana and just TDL na subcontract yes a contract for sale and they are a century no and they have that Ghana for me no nyina no TDL and you fu ye no yes a contract for me became my me say how possible and they are there for this but you can't be at everyone came never knew say na be lawyer actually and the chain now be fine me na me trans and in the year conference they me say asem ni nyani na we go or so
na me pacho lawyer when your opportunity a share investigative documentary no
oh me share documentary no na me the educator me so say so be a lawyer me deal with law and evidence and the one evidence we can not you me dey am no ka say me no di impo no mo so gidi say what to contract abra be catch Ghana go you na say near lawyer no the client make an intro process mosquito or the contract am in the documents in here sika mi tia yi and so say kai yi the mako jeni mayenya we do with evidence and yet journalism and I say friend say sensationalism and publication of the a story in the news no we do it in fact they gave the rule evidence bra.
The name of the game is evidence. That's I don't know yet here. But say unshare video no enti edan na ora ABJ catch wa mo why so confident say him.
Oh. Yes contract for sale me buana. Ama o mampeni mpo atwere krata abiyi papa na asai. Asa the krata na come special prosecutor so won hwehwem. Ama special prosecutor so atwere letter dey apa. Me dey me law am here criminal law nko am you and any labor and to be any me dey no dey all the power dey na me guy na dey aba it offenses BBT kwa kudru it is such a procedure
lawyer ahomani mu start twetwe sisi me ba cho say bibia na wugina dada wo begina ho ama ye bie wa nka beboa yen. Hello. Hello, lawyer. Wow. Hello. I say I think the back akra. What time is here? Hello. Hello, lawyer. Hello. Wow. And my young friend lawyer back now because it's getting really interesting and again waka say for him no the name of the game evidence and the almost share any the evidence no waka also say interrogation last day for about 25 to 30 minutes and I'm told say lawyer say about back lawyer me wacho this is the ultimate car. Fantastic. And now who stretch him at the crowd right ABJ can ya that confidence she name even when I won't share video no.
Oh video there. Say betwa ma on pato ho. Ye try groom ha no ye di onipa bi awu o denchira. Video ba bibre. Ye hwe ni nyina me ma hwe video no be pemene. Enso se be defend nipa bi no. Na some me mo interview me kind na no aso na ye say nyani pa ni na e bit ma charge o mama yi because the evidence na ye aduma nye video say nkasa video shall be a question. That is a question. Because a video and the law, the old pipe is a lawyer behind the video, the other law. May share, but the air and need you more and rack a 7 yen say, Unipana ye can want some, Mr. A.B.A.J. What's your name? And Mr. A.B.A.J. then as he catch them. Nippon and Nippon between the question would be that would be no. To maybe a question where you man know. Match a newspaper contract for say, then only more home. What catch them? Match is why you interview me, and then they see what interview. What catch them with the video near day? And the video then, Cam would the video and see the year morning be pray. But in phobia and quaffia, in phobia, what's the over to me? Could do phobia or class or charge on our charge and own way. The Ocasa may or war, Macumnipa, own way, what one on our charge or class. If a share court of any Panama Kunipa, a private and fast to Kuno, a Panama Kuno, a danger Mikuno. Sani Marina, wow, Boko Media. And the wow we have to Sani Marina, Odia, who say contract for sailor, with a contract to Ayaquacotono, and then your talk contract, a war torn on Lisica, Fabra. Now, call be office, that's a meme running law chambers. May ye lawyers for us as a 5 in the Oho. Now, be Jaquana, no, be Neme Clarks and Namoli be. A year connection, Ghana for 10. Echo year connection. Now I be job on this there or more office to see. Wabra minimum Hoshi. Wabra and Yamanakai. Now go down and any class to be a connection. I'm going to use the now be John Ghana for years of sanity. Yajibi be the answer. Mr. McCramity, MGD. Okay. I was my grantee interview. I mean, defend you be a grantee interview, but I said, yeah. Just in the name, until journalists, because they were shocked. I said, on interrogation any more than 30 minutes here.
Okay, me pacho, ma mimusa sasemi, Mate. Ya show video, no, in the video, no, ya who say, Ora Thomas, any investigative journalist, ni Edin Komo. I'm on the form, say, open contract, be a form, was all failing. Utria 5,000 Ghana cedis. Now, bear 15 to 18% of the contract sum. Wetria, yes, stagger payment, Rema Utria half. Now later, when your mobilization, what about the Akano, waje form a failing at the court. Aye payment, was say, oh, yena. And Ora Thomas no was acting in the name of TDL. TDL is a company ora ABAJ ewo shares. In fact, or say 50 or 60% shares ewum. O say enye bibia.
That is oh can you not charges now in crime and a fat Thomas who oh can you baby. Now who is that said that Thomas no to me so any or yeah again. The first question. Capacity or law and naturalization and answer day. Or was that to me in a and I made them their example. I'm watching and say, me were law firm, me were lawyers. Yeah, I'm the 5 as I say, your clerk. Now, we share me clerk, what I any man as a bride, and of us, I knew. You better be 2. Now I'm quite now in our absence. Now for the class, the near my opa. Oh, the class, the near my opa. Now me ba, minimum ocean. Now they are my swami. Now, I have to the Azenka, who put down for Umbre. Oko time for down for one now, the security man one walk away the open. Now, a dipana ye can also the business. So, we are criminal minded and they said they're not police for the first to be a jam on bar. Also, now, Thomas, no, oh, 2 minutes or yes, I am manana, many jama police for. But nice, I am with this young criminal minded. And today, ask the right question. Now, Thomas, no, the Juma say, Sadia, oh, yeah, they can't do my home, only to me. A Ghanaian word, or any connection or Jews, so Papa Kona go and enforce the contract against TDS over when here. Would you the contract? Why they sign a contract? In an Ghana for whom you will be sign contract Diana. Like a sign contract like a one of course. Me who contract documents now or forged documents in criminal. Some documents mean now you forged documents. Oh, because forgery check that I come from. Kata e control any of the forgery e wo law mu enti kata e control ya sign kata e bia na kata so yen sign ya e se da ni ahode wo mre mu bisa ni odi asanda tu just wo kata e bia obi asign ana and I mean I'm gonna for Obi a wasn't sign krata with TDL. On for krata and embrace a ton contract with Yamano. Why a ton contract amana?
But unim so say and oye lawyer ni penny the unim vicarious liability in play role ewa.
But I did this our crime. Crime is personal. And there's some more on once and once as a can. The security man will be to a would give me for 12 years. When I'm too. And a police will be to a barbecue. A barbecue man penny.
So Osha correspondence between journalists, no any Ora Thomas. Hold on, Meba. In the Thomas a private business, they said you're working. But say Osha or you sue company email address and they send the emails, company letterhead and or they throw letters and Ufi say and cash.
And not to a major say, so open them a law class, Sabri in the piano, if you court. If I be do office by 2 o'clock, sometimes at 3. I'll name a law class in my absence, and I say in the absence of the other lawyer, no other lawyers now. Now, when the law class never yet connection to office or no one. Now, when you have documents, you would have to newspaper. Me say, I have a cry. Me, I have a cry back. There's a paper new crown and cherry. Put up our own contract and then go court so far for enforce. No one say near court better. Contract, you sign contract, is it an executed contract? No document has been executed. And in any way, the capacity here, very important, also accessible lawyers on the side. So, the pana also on a contract or capacity. Now, news that may require idea may be become as a husband because we'll be a head for feel. Timbu, why are they no? May be become. Opa is our for him, names of our idea. So, we are the crowd about to become so answer. Now, we are on administrative secretary or no, that get here 2000 to office or no, I any of it. Now, the Bible, I mean, a responsible citizen or Yen Juma. Now, I dear one kung for. Me, I mean, a politician, me a professional lawyer, me a dealer with crime, and also the Juma. Maybe one phobia. Now, so me what time and you know, I'm a casa, some great diaka. And to me, call police station was a young economic good police for better. If you say go on my clients, on carrying your answer, who call a police for the appeal. Near could do police station, why some no crazy any. A be molly, I said, then be so almost so money empo. Yes, you more, okay, any more. Yet the admin was a will be molly, and I shall no so the lawyer. Bisa, maybe the madrin because Mr. said, may or more. Yeah, no more, baby. Not journalists back up with him the assembly to Kroma. No, the Union is slave. No son is running a country. No. What the Union is slave near Boni Paba, near Buonu Kumfo, and Uncle Fukobi, near Buomu Kumfo. Me Pamucho, Minian Ghana for Momian for contract, Lembra, and Metugani contract for sale. No. Ya Tombi, Yamian, Krata, Minian Ghana for Momia. And yes, I send you see war made the annoyance. Okay. My
emfa and on in because president letter no or transfer or refer corruption angle no to the special prosecutor.
President and kind on His Excellency the President na Kufuor so kind said yeah. Or maybe so me kai no na dia o so ya na why no.
Oh yeah. No me kai no for a reason maybe. Into the corruption the end call special prosecutor ho na nra mo call ye. Yeah what the other part.
Assembly ye tie no corruption and ye nyina be cost. Maybe most would be me so me 22 million and this look unim TDL o highest contract o manya e 1.9 million. And yaka 150,000 180 a ridiculous amount. Yeah, you did say 22 million ma. So me pressure, me pressure and the course road and me who okay one. Brother me took an grand because of journalism. Many people are competing before mining in Adom. Me I say emre ewo ho. Ye ko bi o do beti Thomas Samuel di ne yeko. And this I can write ye. Ya clear statement ye wie. Chief Executive Francis Amwa on him on you can know what you can said the America no go UK and a journalist anyway quiet connection. What could Josie come will be a diamawa or the Bible so my ninja. Uncle amount na what piano. On van court so kwa ko je no ready.
Na me pacho the who can say and Thomas Amuantina Moko na no so ye bete. Are you saying sir even with your waka say Thomas na ye ni bibi no Thomas nso hwe ni ne ho.
Me Thomas lawyer, me declare say me Thomas lawyer.
Okay, who nye Thomas? No, we can say and Moko.
Me Thomas no cry me ba. Thomas no cry me nim no me hu no. So e black or gray me catch believe me. Me nim no me hu ni di kwa na ba conversation ni mo. Me nim so the lawyer be ba na say there and na say e ho no wo be catch say yen gonko boa de say asem ne ba na ye bisa no ye kuri no wa tell ne response apacho aka de ano wo ye. How dem see kroma de 77 play so de ja hu bi bebu. Because I hate it. Who did that move? You don't cost to do sick of a man go by already yet.
And you insist, sir, Senator Thomas air ton contract or Senator on ton contract or ABJ any more. And
I made sure say, oh, talk I say, ABJ credit motion, yeah, and then not a 7 crown say, and then not 7 crown say, shall say free once and say, or contract you on my air corner. I did was saying, don't. Was here contract better or higher.
Oh, now sir, in the video, no, there was that agreement between only journalists now or talk journalists at top form a fairly our man of contract.
Instead of make a will say me as a criminal law practitioner, and make video them the evidence. Nippon video the father on a team anymore. And today view them here. Ni fana video ni fana on the team anymore. Into the video and
FM.
Mr. Dentra, the by me catch up the video, the young man you. Mr. Nipapa the cast and send the video I had there. Video they are the supporting and you're the watching. Video is how will be better me the about the tour. And a video is the crew I am a teacher want to see a doctor and I suppose. Me make a video though. Na me hear video though. Because Mr. AB am one the team anyway. And not to become women in the buy. And the deba assembly yaking. What yes will be at a contract, ye the contract to be a bread, Adom Nsem Mama Mata. I said, when they send your deal. Wow, lawyer for certificate. And then another certificate. And you say a ton contract, a mawa. Power contract, a yaton amount, nebra. When they see a ton contract, the amount of million of Ghana for. On Famra, make a humbi. Hey, yapa, Mr. Yankee, you make a Korean uncle for Papa Momonia public service.
Mami Musa Sasaminti, apart from the corruption angle, no, conflict of interest, the end so echo shraj. And because when I lawyer ABJ lawyer and Tino, Mr. ABJ lawyer and then I want in the Beko shraj and so on the conflict of interest bit, because of the position I will hold the and no problem be our.
My mentor idea, my prosecuted case a conflict of interest in fact. And I'm a private practitioner also. And JB, I must defend the case a conflict of interest. You can't conflict of interest. I say, tell you, Kroma, you're not going to say. Young funny say, Mr. ABJ, or your procurement officer, and now your minister. Now I yes so sourcing, not the contract are money. Ni di credit company anymore. Ni dimpo ni na yire company anymore. No one is a contract na man yire. Oh, ni di ni na yire company anymore. But also, what is what the contract na man yire na guess what the man ho. They the conflict of interest. Now we was shares to a company mo na resign as a director. No ye na adwuma. Na se sa company no. I mean say we are journalists there over kai nsembe ye kika fa doctor Kwame Adofo Dr. Adofo mami Dr. Kufo because when I'm a prosecutor is up the journalism I will judge be an FNA picture menu when I'm a prosecutor is a case no so I say same way you we make can some na for nipa no wa so you go could do court na ka won conflict of interest they say TDL a company obi a we be dem say company is an artificial human being or shareholders e ya omugo or a shareholder party company or several companies. If you quite agree, to see a crime no Casegrano or pure water company on the year pure water, such a water. What this is 10 years, also make a retirement, then I'm quite so amazing. Make quite near my bini. we me a director me yi me one primu obi fufo na erane e na wo bobra no na de boy en bra oh me ye share we dey say papa it is a me wo share so Ghana Commercial Bank na say asamba of PPR because of Ghana Commercial Bank no because of Ghana Commercial Bank no oh enti e kire say mean to me entrance because me share with Ghana Commercial Bank and some company or Boise Mines or something whatever it is there be you just an embrani you yes an embrani you
but I wish board in the statement or the buyer board ne ka say on all those instances a TDL a car restrictive tendering hono or I be a recusing from the board settings to decide on sa contractor buy and how would you explain and also
let me catch it. I will say in the first place no once yes shareholder no one resign as a director no aduma na mfa no no and yet we no the conflict of interest would you just say we a public service how would you pay to say would you would you find investment to be a public service law no me very much aware because my public servant 10 years and you are want to be in our law no part check and them I want to mean as a public servant na our law no and card that want to mean yes that na share say okroma do na public servant on the pension dia and a public servant is can would yes so would want to be investing eh there be obi na Ghana for this and conflict of interest or you see you there a bad nim no kura no why ade so was I declare no was I crack ho say bibi e beka beba manim no bia no ya e beba na no kura no oh mama san control PPA or no ye grant contract yes certification ye grant contract yes screening say whether you qualify to apply for a contract or any other entity tender committee or whatever board mama famra for na million Ghana for tiase PPA no na djuma wo ye ne ba ko ne say o pese o Ministry of Education say ye ma classroom block na kusia o be di ka ba PPA ho na o ma hwe say o qualify ana asare wa ko kan list no enti ye ministry for na ma contract enye PPA enye ministry for no na be ma o sa contract no ye di we nyina be da ye abe ma asem na ko ye honya ma ye di innocent person asem minum ye no ya hwe ya rocks and be ba be public servant rocks decent people maybe you because what build we make to me am for me to e ma o me ye me afa ne nya ye say rocks for ko di Liberia nim no ye hu di esi ye the Ghana is such a beautiful country your resources and go for me to my year juma they are boy nyina wo ma enu mo ma ye ntra o ma ni pa ba ko pe me for ma ni nyina en ko to ye ntwene who are would you see a TDL upon contract amount fabra now make a conflict of interest let's say papa no me interest a conflict again me interest there so we shareholder public service law no
yeah but we say oh yeah the position as a director in TDL and no resign
evidence wo e ka ho
I reflect it me bacho I reflect what registrar general says you on your director bill
say I reflect what registrar general say I reflect ye legal question name on beneficiary no papa no on your director bill on participate as a director say me you say director position you try me can na say for na ma resign na say menjia na say enko ye no companies on artificial being in Koye, millions of in law. My card is a crime, and no, you're nearby a careless liability or crime. Me watch my boy be to a police going to make him or say my committee matter. Crime, yen is a crime is personal. I be a one Casawan ye, and ye choaso, and that idea will be a yen one ye. May you come house up for yen dimachime. May you want a beko jail. May you come house up for yen dimachime.
Okay.
Me don't want to be ko jail.
Look,
I so me defile me house of pa. Yes, me ko cheme ire. Me ni house of anyway.
Lawyer Augustine Obo,
anka ne ya de we wan asem akoda ne asem no
obi andale no dawe ma yemfa ensiamre nti okay na me busa this final question where sorry and it's me tie de wa no problem me tie de wa kan nyina enra na moko Office of the Special Prosecutor and not just o client Mr. ABJ obefa ne ho ade odi ekwa ide
mo de bi minim se mo journalist for ene obi a want nchechemu on person obefa ne ho adi ne mo one person obefa ne ho adi dia be bono kwa adumi nti so person obefa ne ho adi wo court be bono kwa adumi nti e die na waye contract no for contract said no TDL account contract amame eni ye ka say omunkonko ye school ana omunko block bi ana omunko dua kube bi e na omanko dua na ombeton contract na maame na no kra na ohu ye de kolo mo e kra esre edi say me classroom block say me si a me electrician ana me mesi ana me na wo say me bo foundation no oh muni anum Ghana bo nye sa na ti o.
Okay, international say the who can say charges cry OSP be prefer against him na bedding.
Everybody made some defense lawyer. And to be defended the order by Tono. Now almost so yes and no and no more idea my manager almost all journalist. And then newspaper some the eka nemo more matches as in yes. No more yeshimu into the worker. And as I some say this, Yenchi Muni say, Yaman the chums Korean yen eka, Mr. McKay. And the moment more to
lawyer
apparently be a so go kuma MP na me lawyer man jima chinyo mu kai me cheche ba de crazy me de wo se me kasa pra wo se me wa ho mete nti asa na me bie ma no me kasi asa me wo mu nko a wo me mo no kwa adu ni enhwe
lawyer Augustine Obo my na se ne yemfa ensi ye da se papa no ye lawyer Emma Mr. ABJ and Moten can really interesting interview there enti ye be hwe na afi matise abadwafo na ba be cancer enti ma momfa bibi ntwam tew na yen sorry
ya da se na obi nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ yɛ sɛbi yɛ adwuma na yɛ na boa o mai wa kwanhudo bebre so lawyer akasa yi yɛ dana se enkyemu a ɔde ama yɛ no wɔyɛ lawyer ɔyɛ defense lawyer nko ade yɛ nim sɛ de asɛm na yɛ ho no enye enwanwa sɛ ɔbɛkasa diffuse sɛ de amanfo bi abɔpɔ bi wɔ mu tirim ɛwɔ papa no nti de ɔka yɛ bia ni wɔn mo yɛ enwanwa na odi kan kan asɛm bi sɛ ubɔ obi kwadu na wini bem saa na wa no ɔden so so na abɛkyerɛ o nipa wo defending asɛm a na so so wa asɛm nya densi ɛna mra no so so eni nipa ba ko nsɛm sɛ nipa ba ko betimi nya authority aka sɛ de matinti minim sɛ asɛm ne sɛ ya na bɛkɔ midiri sɛ Ghana your prosecutors enso so wɔ hɔ no asɛm no besom journalist na ɔyɛ adwuma de aguso bɔ na ba so ayɛ ade pa de atie bia asɛm wom de atie bia asɛm ebi wɔ shraj ɛna ebi wɔ SP hɔ enti sɛ no korɛ sɛ ɔka na asɛm wie SP ne nkrɔfo so kan a kyerɛ sɛ asɛm bia ni hɔ nom so a ye nyina ye hwɛ de ye wie akyire no ɛbɛkɔ akosie timanase azure nyakopɔn nhyira no wɔ adwuma pa ye no mo ye journalist ne anim sɛ de adwuma te de ye nim sɛ wa ya bɔ ɔman no ye guso ɛbɔ na baso
meda se obade
me ko bi na man ka bi de sɛ wa
nkokora nka ye
na me nim mra de me de me nkɔka sa asɛm ne mo mama kwanya na oba Claudia Amponsa ai na your birthday me man happy birthday na nyankopon hia no no man kwatenten esika wom na na ma Amponsa Claudia
sika ne apomuden wo sika na nkofo dia ma
na nyankopon hia no
okay ma me ncha o man hene
na ensi on behalf of Daron Denzel and Brishel
and Washington
and myself we wish her a very happy birthday.
Denzel ka Washington ka ye nua be ma o man
hene kwabena asante
mama ni din for Food Republic o man hene na adai
on there
yango banga no
Jim FM 106.3 Only God